Nehemiah was a cupbearer who rebuilt a nation's defense in just 52 days. His secret wasn't more workers. It was a refusal to be distracted.
Can one single decision double your output in 7 days?
Sanballat and Tobiah tried to lure Nehemiah off the wall 5 times. Today, your Sanballat is your smartphone. Your Tobiah is your inbox. They don't want to help you. They want to halt you. Nehemiah's response was a masterclass in focus. I am doing a great work so that I cannot come down. This is the power of one. When you identify your most important task, you don't just walk, you build. The wall fell for 140 years, but it rose in 52 days because one man refused to look away. When you stop juggling and start striking, the world notices. Focus isn't just a habit, it's a testimony.
What is your great work today? Declare it in the comments. Subscribe to Wealth Stack Media. Let's build your legacy.
Get on the wall. Stay on the wall.